What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're taking a look at Aerodrome Finance this morning, the 9th of June. It is Sunday morning. Ticker symbol AERO USD. This will be Aerodrome Finance / the United States dollar. Guys, this is a daily chart. We might drop to a 3-minute time frame, but overall daily chart. And the price data is from Coinbase. This is also on tradingview.com. This is a free charting service. Check it out if you would like to do what I'm doing. It's free, so no cost there. Aerodrome Finance is down once again this morning for 0.4%. So we have a couple things we want to talk about here on the chart. We are just below a potential area of support. So I wouldn't be surprised to see the price get to, if not above, 98,224 today. That's right here in yellow, 98,224. We're just below that. So we found support at that level on the 7th, which was Friday. We turned it into resistance yesterday, the 8th, which was Saturday of June. And today we are just below it. So in a perfect world, guys, we get above it, we close above it. That tells us that we're probably heading higher rather than heading lower. So if we had a scale here and we were in the center at neutral, if we close above 98,224, it tells us that the prices are more likely to go higher to our next level, which is 106, rather than lower to our levels below the market. But if we continue to close below 98,224, every day that goes by that happens, the odds start to favor more and more price action to the downside. So if prices continue lower, we have a couple levels we want to talk about here on the chart. So we have one at 87. That would be this low right here. 87. That's this low right here. And then 85.20 right here. That's below the market as support. So we'll see if we get down there. A couple other levels below the market that could be in play. So just like we made a full run up here to 128 and found resistance at that level, we could be making a full run lower in price, guys. A full run lower in price would take us, for starters, 84,494 right here. And then the full run I would be looking for, which could be in play, would be 72,326. That is right here, guys. So it's not what you want to hear, but just keep it in the back of your mind that it's possible. Now, personally, I don't think it's as possible as happening as perhaps seeing 87 or 84. And the reason is Bitcoin is on the verge of a huge breakout. And if that happens, there is no way Aerodrome Finance is going to 72 cents. If anything, it'll be finding itself back up to 128, if not much higher. So that's probably what you want to hear. And hey, I hope Bitcoin breaks out, and I hope we see something like that play out. But I just want you to have in the back of your mind that if Bitcoin fails and continues lower, it's already failed again this week. I believe it was Friday. So if the trend does continue down for a while, there's a good chance we'll be testing the lows over here at 87 and maybe even 85,200, 84,760, 84,494. That's this little cluster of price levels here. If price does go lower from where we're currently trading, 87 is a 9% move, 85 is roughly 11 or 12%, and then down there to the 72,326 price level, that is going to look like a 25% move to the downside, guys. Getting us back above the 98,224 today, that you're looking at roughly like a 2% move higher in price. So, hey, I hope the selling is close to being over. We're so close to 98,224. I hope we get above it and close above it. If that happens, then we can start to talk about higher prices, with starters being at 106.42. One thing at a time, okay? It would be, you basically want to see the price sooner rather than later get above 98,224. I mean, that's really where you want to be here. You don't want to be, of course, if you're bullish, you don't want to be trending lower and closing below that, flipping it into a resistance, which is what it's done the past, well, yesterday, I should say. It actually found support on Friday, resistance yesterday. Today is a very quiet day here for the markets. So hopefully that means the selling is drying up. Yeah, that's pretty much going to cover the Aerodrome Finance chart. I think that covers everything that is possible today anyways. I don't think we'll see the price anywhere near 128 today, but we could definitely be back to 106. We could be above 98. And then I don't think we'll see price all the way down to 72, but we could see 85 if things get real ugly. And I'm hoping that doesn't happen. But for the most part, let's root for the price to get back above 98,224, and then we can start to talk about the 106.42 once again. Guys, over to the Bitcoin chart. BTC USD is up $75. So here it is. Don't ignore it. And if you're interested in this, go look at the NVIDIA chart. Trades on the NASDAQ. It's made a huge run recently. Bitcoin has tried basically 1, 2, 3, 4 times to break out to the upside, guys. And it failed again this week, which was on Friday. This is a very bearish engulfing pattern candle. We made new highs, we made new lows, we closed lower. We played our levels at 71, 335, 68, 748. Played them perfectly. It was bearish. It was a failed breakout. Now the price is sitting here, basically sitting on its hands with not doing anything. So I don't know what's going on here. But I'm happy to see that we haven't continued the momentum to the downside after Friday's bearish candle. But just know that's possible. So we'll see if it tests again, try to break out 71, 335. If it keeps testing that level, at some point it will succeed and continue to the upside. But all of these fails in a row, it's not good. So hopefully the selling doesn't continue. Maybe we just need more time. 71,335 is a level to watch. Above that is 73,494. That's right here. Once we get above both those levels, guys, this thing could be on for a 30+% move to the upside. Looking for Bitcoin to be up there at around 96,626, just about 6 figures. And I can bet you this without betting you this. If we see Bitcoin break out, it's going to be a historic move to the upside. It's going to be insane how fast it goes to the upside. And if that takes place, and I hope it does, we will not see Aerodrome down at 72. We should see Aerodrome above 128, making new higher highs, hopefully on its way up to 156 and so on. Guys, let me know what you think down in the comments. If you're interested in trading signals or following what I'm trading, comment signals down below or go back to the beginning of this video. There is a slide in there with an email that you can contact, and make sure you write signals in the subject line so your email does not get lost. Guys, of course, not financial advice. You have a great Sunday. Let me know your thoughts on Aerodrome Finance. Let me know your thoughts on Bitcoin. Keep your eyes on the 98,224 level, 106.42, 85.20. That should keep us out of trouble for this Sunday as we head into the day. Have a great day.